All right, so we just got the Gamma Absolute Hitter. Let's check it out. Ooh, pretty. Hard to get out of the box though. All right, so here it is. They come with a little guard on them, which you just pop off. Check it out. It's from Italia. And there it goes, look. Woo! So it also comes with these different bodies that you can use. And I think it's got a charger in it. There it is, check it out. And it's got the stand that you put it in, like that. And it just kind of goes in there like that and charges. That's it. And oh look, it's got extra little parts, extra screws, and it comes with its own screwdriver. And there's your charger right there. It's also, you can also do it with a USB. Let's take a look at this. Let's just set that there for a second. I don't know how that would work. Let's see if there's a USB on here. Oh, there it is right there, look. So you can plug the USB in too. Just plug it into a regular block. Or you can put it in the charger. That is pretty cool. That's gonna work great. Now let's check these out. How do we get them out of the package? There. So you can change, oh yeah, so it's got 1, 2, 3 screws. So if you don't like this color, they give you these 2 different colors that you can put on there. And so you'd have to unscrew here, here, and here to get this faceplate off. But I think we're gonna go with the silver because it's already on there. All right, so here you go. Here's your charging. This is your charging thing. You notice there's a little crease on it. The crease is on the bottom, so you gotta put this part up. All right, so if you look, see how there's a little crease on it? The little crease is on the bottom, so you gotta put it in like that. When you do, watch, here. See? That pops up, bam, done. And then, this just goes in. Yeah, this has got a little thing on the bottom, and that's got a little thing, so you gotta get it. It's basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna have the name and the silver face forward. So that goes like that, and now it's, see how that's spinning there? Okay, so once, if you look down in here, you're gonna see there's a little groove there. There's a little groove on the bottom of this. So basically, just so you know how to do it, the silver is gonna face the same way as this. And that's it. And when you put it in there, you got that little flashing thing. That is very awesome. Let's check it out. Not bad. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.